What's up, y'all? SK Lifestyle here, and I'm on the CT River. Beautiful day in August. Gotta pay attention here. There's a lot of stuff in the river. So it's been a little while since I've been out on the water on the ski, but I'm out here now, so it's going down. It's also pretty hot, so I'm probably gonna get a few action shots of me getting wet. That said, SK Lifestyle, always a great time, especially when we're on this beautiful ski. You know how it goes. Turn this baby around, get some backwards footage. See how that goes. Turns out sucky, then I just won't use it, right? So I picked like the worst day for the river. It's beautiful out, but as you can see, there is tons of debris. And I kind of knew there was from all the storms and stuff lately. But I mean, look at that. And I might rip around a little bit. If not, I might just do these quick reviews, then run up north, and I might just bring her back in. I mean, I got other stuff to do today. See that thing? I got other stuff to do today. I really don't feel like messing up the ski. And honestly, I've only seen one boat out here so far. So, you know, it's kind of take a lesson from what other people are doing, and probably not the best idea to be out here. But that said, SK Lifestyle, see how it goes. Yeah. Oh, there's one other boat. Finally, somebody. SK ain't alone out here. It's like I want to stop and go back. The water feels so great, and shit, I'm having fun. Yeah, send it. Water feels so good. Yeah, SK Lifestyle.